Yo, what up? What up, team? Let's get paid. Hold up. Can you hear me? Testing. Yeah, you can hear me. Let's go. All right, give me a minute. Let me get situated. Let me get situated. Let me get situated. Time to get this money. Time to get this money. All right, guys. So real quick here, let's do the pre-market plan. Bear with me here. It's been a bit of a beautiful, crazy morning. All right, so this is the level we're watching today. All right, 663. I'm sorry, 66730. Previous day low is critical. Okay, we want to make sure that we're watching this because this is going to tell us everything. Now, what's our moving averages telling us right now? Our moving averages are telling us that the downward trend is healthy. Okay, downward trend is healthy. So we're going to want to watch this as we approach 6673. All right. If you look at that 1 hour trend right there, you'll notice it's been holding really well. All right. Like, look at this. Every time we come up into that trend, sellers are meeting it. So let's be sure that we're not extremely quick to fight that 1 hour trend. Let me just give a shout out to everybody in the Discord. We are live. Everyone, we are live. Let's go. We're getting paid. We're getting paid. All right, give me a minute. Hold up. I hope everybody's had a phenomenal week. I'm not going to lie to you. It's not been an easy week for me, but we are going to finish this week off very strong. All right, so let's get it on. Let's get it done. What's the news looking like today, guys? Let me see here. Announcements. So let's see. We come over to the HPT Discord, which is by far the best Discord out in the world, hands down. We got a lot of random stuff going on. It looks like we just got, just federal assholes that are talking, consumer sentiment at prelim at 10. All in all, I don't think the news is going to be a drastic factor to us today, but I could be wrong. So where are we at? Hold on. What's going on here? Oh, God. All right. So let's see here as we approach. Let's go. Let's get it. I love you guys. Mike, it is going to be a good day. That is exactly what, and you know why it's going to be a good day? It's because no matter what, we're just going to follow our principles, right? Like, the more I grow as a trader, the more I realize it's not about like, oh, I hope the market's good to us. It's like, no, as long as I follow the correct principles, we're going to have a good day. You plant a seed into the ground, you water it. You don't pray that it sprouts, right? No, you just water the seed, right? Like, that's what we're doing today. We're watering seed, baby. We're identifying clean setups and we're executing on our beautiful principles that we use every single day. Okay. So we do have a gap down. I'm watching SPY and I'm watching Tesla. Let me just map here and get my SPX levels mapped. Let me see here. All right, market opens up. Let's get paid. Once again, pit numbers are critical. Very important. Look at this selling that we're getting. Once again, the 1 hour trend's healthy. I want you guys to notice the GBI we just got at here off the open. All right, that's a green bar that gets ignored. Honestly, that might be a great short play. I didn't get it. I don't know where the 2-minute 20 is, so I'm not entering just yet. Bear with me. Bear with me. I like to get rid of all my levels. I get rid of all my levels and I go, all right, where we at? Okay. Sometimes things get noisy. All right. So look at that selling that we just got coming in here off the open. A lot of selling. Guys, what's the strategy? RBI, GBI, 2-minute 20 retest. So now that we've spotted the GBI, I'm hopping down to the 2-minute. Did anybody enter in on that? I want to blame you if you did. We got healthy downside targets. All right, so now we watch 2-minute 20. Stay patient, stay humble, stay focused. Let's go. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it on. Pre-market plan today is actually pretty simple. Let's just walk through it. Once again, 66730. Who just defended it? Sellers. Okay. So now, once again, I want to drop down to my daily time frame. And now, because now that we've pretty much figured out that sellers got the ball, now we're going to grab some levels. So you guys see how I'm doing this? I'm just grabbing what's relevant. I get a lot of questions about how I grab my levels. It's what's relevant. What's relevant is the daily time frame chart. Okay, so let's watch that. Drop down to the 1 hour here. We also, look at this, guys. We have a GBI on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so that's going to be my zone. We're actually coming into that. Look at this. This is nice. Healthy trends do what? They continue. All right, so let's not be afraid to short the market today. I got my 2 minute up here. I got my Top Step account right here. Let me see. So I'm ready. I'm ready right now. I am ready. Top Step, check. Let's fucking kill it today. All right, got my zone, got my levels. Honestly, that's strong selling right there, and we have healthy 1 hour trend. I would not be surprised if this thing just continues to go. Notice right now that we're retesting the 1 hour GBI. Yeah. I want to go short right now. I just really, I don't like where my stop loss would be. But this is definitely valid selling pressure. Once again, I don't know if you guys have seen my recent shorts on, on YouTube. But I've been using these 1 hour GBIs like crazy. These have been phenomenal, right? This is a great way. Like, look at this selling pressure. We know it's present. 2 minute time frame gave us a really good opportunity right there. But I once again, I approach every trade from the risk down. All right. So like if I can't accommodate the 2 minute 20 as my stop loss, I don't get in the trade. That's just a really simple way to make sure you're managing your money correctly, right? So I got my eye on a pullback to, 66730 in the 2 minute 20. I will definitely take the market short if I can get that. So let's see. Honestly, I don't. Well, let's just see what happens. I don't want to get ahead of myself. Let's get this money. Let's get the money. We got pre-market low right here, which is our GBI on the 1 hour. Kind of seeing that selling pressure coming down. Healthy 1 hour trend. This thing can really move. This definitely a lot of selling. SPX looks like what? What's she look like? Very strong selling pressure here. Yeah. You guys see you guys seen how we retested that 1 hour GBI on the previous candle right here? This right here is the 1 hour green bar that was ignored. Got that clean retest. All right, let's do it. Strong selling. Now, I always really like to. All right, so you guys see this level right here is definitely important. What's the high here? The high on this candle is 665.76. So we're about 50 cents away from that first target. All right, and SPX here. On SPX, we're kind of coming into it. So once again, right, like I know we didn't take it, but you guys did see that 2 minute retest of the 1 hour GBI, right? That is how effective these GBIs are on the 1 hour time frame, right? Like this right here, super effective. Look at this sell off we just got from it. It was quick. we definitely could have entertained it. But we didn't. So now what's the next move? What's the next best move on the chessboard? Solid sell off through it. All right, we're coming into a key level. But once again, healthy 1 hour trends. These things can really push. SPX with a lot of selling pressure here. Look at this. This thing is really selling off. Just cut right through that level like it was nothing. Damn. Anybody take that? That was beautiful. Right off the open. GBI right off the open. Look at that. Holy shit. Come on, Josh. If I wasn't being so much of a little bitch. Oh, wow, man. You got to laugh a little bit, though. Look at this. Holy shit. I feel like this has been the story of my life this week. Let's do something about it. Let's change it today. Oh, my God. Holy shit. Chris, that's your setup, bro. I knew you took it. I knew you took it, bro. When I asked that question, I was talking directly to you. Chris Beckwith, that is, so he actually put me onto that in one of our sessions. He's like, how about the RBIs and GBIs that happen right before the open? Bro, it's the same concept, right? Like, it's trap buyers or sellers. Phenomenal play, brother. Great play. Good execution on that play right there. But basically, for anybody else that wants to know what we're talking about, what Chris is talking about and what I'm talking about is this green bar right here that was ignored prior to the market opening. And, you know, I dive really deep with everybody that's in my mentorship program or even just anybody on HPT altogether. But basically what that is there's this candle right here. That's called the GBI, but this is trapped buying. Okay. So basically bunch of buyers came to the market and got disrespected by the next candle. So the next candle is what gives it that validity that, you know, sellers are in control. So basically the question is, but the market's not open. Do we still count it? And me and Chris kind of been talking about it a lot, and we've come to the conclusion a chart pattern is a chart pattern. So just act on it. So phenomenal play right there, brother. Great play. Look at that thing. Oh, hot damn. Hot damn. Look at SBX here cooking. Unbelievable. Look at this. Cooking. Oh, man. Let's look at something else right now, because if it's not going to give me what I'm looking for, I'm just going to look at Tesla. See what Tesla's doing. All right, so Tesla's giving us a lot of selling coming in here. Pretty much the whole market is at this point. Let's just mark out Tesla. Holy shit. A lot of selling. Lots and lots of selling. You know what, though? Like, this is, I know I always say this too, but like a key characteristic trait of a trader is being somebody that can watch price action move and not feel compelled to participate. That is key. You know, I seen I think it was Mike. He said, you know, there's FOMO, there's YOLO, but what do we call missing a good opportunity? And honestly, what I call it is no longer being a slave, right? Like, you're no longer a slave. Yeah, okay, you missed one. You don't need to grab every single one, but it is important to execute. But basically, what I always tell myself is, what's the next best move on the chessboard? Regardless of what's previously happened, I don't care if you've just blown your account or passed your account. What is the next best move, right? So reevaluate. So that's what we're going to do. Let's reevaluate. Massive sell-off. 1 hour trend's very healthy, and we just broke a key level, and we're selling off like a bat out of hell right now. Look at this. Oh, my goodness. If I get another RBI or GBI, I might take this short. Let's see. We got 4 minutes left on this candle. I'm looking for at least a pullback into the moving average. Let me get some downside targets on Tesla in the meantime. Bear target. I don't like violent, quick moves. Just overall because like the pendulum swings left, it also swings right in the same amount of force and direction and momentum. But at the end of the day, we got to be able to really understand that sellers are, if they're in control, they're going to maintain a healthy trend. So let's just see what happens here. All right, let's look for a pullback. Let's look at NQ. NQ is coming into a key level here. Got some big upside targets. Oh, don't neglect that 20. I'm watching the 20. Oh man, we're far from that 20. If we don't get a 20 retest and we just sell off through, be careful. I'm starting to notice things, guys. Like if we're not getting healthy 20 EMA being respected, that like it doesn't mean you necessarily can't get a good move. But what I've noticed is if like if you're not retesting the 20, the trends it's a pretty sketchy trend to hop in. All right, let's see here. Got a bear target there. Got a bear target here on NQ. What are some key levels? That's a key level. All right, pendulum is now swinging back up a little bit. All right, ready? So, and once again, let's just look at what that GBI looks like on the 1 hour. Just going to go 1 hour GB. Just that really quick sell-off. It's probably going to snap back. All right, just watching the 5-minute trend here. Watching NQ as well because NQ is playing with a key level, 605. 605 on NQ is very important. And just like SPY or ES, the trend is pretty healthy right now. So we could, and what I mean by that is we could definitely see further move down. I guess it's just being really clear on what you need to see to participate. So let's watch. I'm watching NQ and SPY for a potential retest of the 20. Let's get it. Stay patient. You're in control. When you know what to look for, you become in control, right? That's it. So staying patient. Pull back into the cloud. Those really quick sell-offs, man. They get a little snappy, right? Get that little snap back. Whoosh, right? Whoosh. Whoosh, whoosh. I'm shot. I know. So now that we're coming up to the 2-minute 20, I got to ask myself, is there anything really backing it up? And honestly, in my opinion, there is. The fact that we're below 66730 is kind of setting the mood that the market is bearish. And we're battling that key level right there. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Let's see. We're about to get a GBI. GBI is good. NQ is on the daily, on the 50 EMA on the daily. On the daily, my boy Eric. What up, stud? Go check out my boy's YouTube channel, The Recalibration Project. Blueprint. It's phenomenal. Great channel. I love your videos, Eric, bro. Them shits make my day, bro. I love them. And you know me, bro. I love mindset. It's all about building that mindset, bro, because life is just going to continuously kick you right in the friggin' nuts. I don't care who you are. I don't care how good you are at trading or anything in life. It does not matter. Life does not discriminate. This shit will kick you in the nuts from the back. You won't even see it coming. Right? It'd be like, wham, right? Like you everything will be going good. You're just making your way down the street. Bam, right in the sack. And you'd be like, oh my God. So, it's all about building that healthy that mentality. All right, so when I look at NQ here, I'm seeing some healthy price movement. If you're a real sick bastard like me, you'll start to enjoy it. You got to enjoy the kicks every once in a while, bro. They don't mean nothing. Listen, someone's got to do it. All right, God damn it. Let's go. What are we looking for? All right, looking like we're coming up on that 2-minute 20. Once again, I'm not rushing into shorts here. Yo. Yes, bro. Yes. Yo, one of them first videos you made, you're like talking about, you're like, if you're thinking about using testosterone or any steroids, you're like, you might as well take your money and go pay a hooker to kick you in the nuts. Bro, I was dying, bro. Anyways, go check it out. Phenomenal YouTube channel, my boy Eric. It just really, but it's it's not just funny. There's great message there about fitness and which is a big deal, right? So definitely check that out. All right, so we're watching this trend here. I got NQ up. Ooh, I'm starting to like this short, man. I'm not gonna lie. I just really kind of want a little better entry. We're coming up to this key level on SPY, and the selling pressure is just there. You know what I'm saying? It's just really there. I think, let me see, hold up. That 2-minute candle just really, it's really not my strategy though. So I'm like, don't get me wrong. I could probably get in that, make some money. But if I hop in that and lose money, I will kick myself personally in the nuts because it's not my strategy. And I think that's something that we all go through, right? Like, it's very easy to compromise and just be like, hold up, let me get into the market, right? And sometimes it works, right? Like we actually make money and we get paid. And those are the days you need to really take inventory of your mindset, because once you start making some money here and there, not trading a repeatable approach is when your respect for trading goes right out the window. Like every day it's my job to get paid by following my process, not get paid. Because the days say I went short there because it looked good right now, I'd be like, oh, I got played, right? Like, and there's all them other variables, right? Like there's, oh, we're on a live and I want to make money. I want, it's fun to make money. It's fun to be in a trade, right? Like, or maybe other people, I want to get to work. I got to get to work. Or, my boss just asked me to do something, so I need to get this done. Or maybe you just need the friggin' money, right? If you're anything like me, I need the friggin' money. I'm here to make the money. So next thing you know, you're compromising your strategy and other things just to get paid, or I just need to pass this account. Like there's all these other variables that cause us to go full retard, and then once we do it, like say I went short right here because I was like, ooh, selling pressures here. Is that what I said? I'd have been right now. I'd have been like, dude, you just got played. You were being a complete retard. Like, and why though? It's because my strategy's not present. If my strategy's not present, I just can't trade. It's that simple. I'm too retarded to do anything else. That's okay, because when you realize that is when you start following the process. I don't know. I think I'm making sense. But basically, we just need to follow our process and go from there. We got very strong selling. Let's see what the fib tells us. Kaio, you put me onto this. So we're coming into the 50% Fibonacci retracement in this move right here. So this is a great way to determine if sellers still got the ball or not. Let's see what happens here at the 2-minute 20. No RBI on the way down. We're probably going to cook right up through this. I'm watching what this retest of the 1 hour GBI looks like. Also, we were unable just now. We were unable to get a GBI. We got an RBI. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens at the 20. Let's see who can hold it. Let's let the market tell us what's going to happen today. And let me shut up. Coming back up to the 1 hour GBI. All right, let's see. This is kind of a touchy one. I'm just running through scenarios in my head right now. If sellers end up holding this 50, I might take a stab at a short. Look at this. No way. Look at that. Hold on. And the candle ain't closed yet. Got 10 seconds left on this candle. All right. So we did close inside that 2-minute 20. We are lacking a RBI or GBI here, though. There is no RBI or GBI. There's actually there is an RBI, which is not necessarily bearish. But the trend is heading to the downside. I'm going to hold off. It is respecting the 50. Yeah, I'm not trading that. It ain't my strategy. It's not it. I'm watching this 1 hour GBI retest. Sometimes you just got to be like, dude, that's not my strategy. I'm not taking it. I like seeing the 50 hold, though. I really like seeing that 50% Fibonacci hold. I mean, it's that moving average right here is definitely telling us something. It's holding the 50. It's just not my strategy. Can't do it. I gotta take a pee. Be right back. All right. Closing outside the 2-minute 20. Trap buyer sellers made so much sense to me. So now I asked if they're anywhere I'm thinking about getting in. Yes, bro. And because now that you're understanding. So Chris has just recently joined the team and has made tremendous improvement in his trading. I'm so proud of you, Chris, bro. Chris is he joined the team completely open-minded and was like, hey, what's your strategy about? It's really cool. So we've been having our mentorship sessions, and we just have been breaking down how with the theory behind our strategy, which is basically the trap buyers or sellers theory. And basically what that is anytime you see an RBI or a GBI on the 5-minute time frame and up, it's creating opportunity for you, right? It's helping you understand, hey, there are trap buyers and sellers at this level. So when it comes back up into the zone or level, you're watching like we are right here. Okay, this is the 1 hour. Let's see, ready? This right here is a 1 hour GBI. Okay, you guys see this? Green bar ignored on the 1 hour time frame. So now that we're coming back up to this level, I want to see what sellers do. Now, granted, buyers just took back the fib. So buyers are showing some strength here, especially that it was off a key level, right? Like we hit 66450 like a wall. But now I want to see what this retest looks like. It's also lining up with the 5-minute 20, which is kind of flat. I mean, there's a lot of variables here. Overall, our strategy hasn't presented. But yeah, the trap buyers and sellers theory, it sheds so much light because now it makes sense, right? And when it makes sense, it's easier to follow. And I think that's what Chris is saying. Like when you better understand the price action in front of you from a trading perspective, like there's trap buyers up here. There are buyers that are now in losing positions. And when price comes back up, and if they start to sell out or take profit or exit out of their losing positions, it's going to add to the selling pressure. I honestly think buyers might take this though, just for the simple fact that they took back the fib, and we had the pendulum swung down very strongly. So in retrospect, it's probably going to swing up in the same amount of force. But I don't want to get too ahead of myself. Let's just stay patient here. See what NQ is giving us as well. And we'll go from there. So we're coming back up to that trap, that GBI. You guys see it? It's the trap buyers or sellers. Let's see what we get here. Let's get rid of that fib. Hold on, actually. We close below the fib right here. If we close below the fib on this candle, this is bearish, guys. You guys see that too, right? You see, look, buyers stomping out. 1 hour time frame GBI. Is that the same thing here on NQ? Sure is. Look at that. So I just want to, so now that I better understand that sellers are, still in control, it's really up to this 5-minute candle. I want to see how it closes right here. If it closes below that fib, dude, this thing's bearish. Oh, nope, it did close above it, but that 1 hour time frame's pushing down. Let's get a GBI right here. What's the low of this candle? 66568. Oh, let me see some weakness here coming into the 2-minute. Oh, look at that, baby. Weak 1 hour time frame, respected that 1 hour GBI very well. Look at that. Look at that. How could I have better played that is what I'm thinking right now. Look at that, dude. To a T. To a T. I guess a short play with a stop above that 2 minutes, not a bad entry. It's still like that's a large stop. All right, hold on. Give me a minute here, guys. Let me see how I want to play this. To a T. You guys seen that, though? Look at that. Retest, reject. Right where the trap buyers and sellers were. 1 hour time frame just pushed down. I want to see a little pullback into the 2 minute or something. Might not get it right now. That's just the reality of it. All right, but we did just get a very valid GBI. All right, so this is how we play it. Ready? All right, so we got exactly what we were looking for. So now I'm going to draw a box right here. I want to see sellers continue to defend this box right here. Oh man, look, we're about to close back below this moving average too. This thing's looking bearish, guys. Oh, look at the inverted chart. This thing's looking bearish. But now, yeah, it's bearish. But now I got to find my entry. Looking for a 2-minute 20 retest right here. I want to see a pullback into the zone. I'll take it. I'll take it. Might not give it to me. If it does, I'll take it. Let's see. Boom. Come into her. Come into her. 78, 83. Putting a lot of faith in that 1-hour trend right here. What's my stop? My stop's really not that far. I'm in it. I'm going to try a short play right here, guys. My stop is above the 2-minute. It's a little sketch. But I'm gonna try this right here. I'm in it. I'm just gonna go one con, nothing crazy. Let's see if we can get a push down to the lows. And then I'll just play that 2-minute trend here. See what we get. Obviously, I wanted to go short, like more up towards the top, but I don't think we're gonna get a retest up there. Once again, anybody that wants to join our team, click them links below. Okay, you can either subscribe monthly and be a part of our trading Discord, or you can subscribe on a yearly basis. I am still accepting traders on a yearly subscription, but that's not going to be around much longer. New year, that option is going to be gone. Okay, so get a hold of me if that's something that you're interested in. Let's see if we can get a push here down to the lows. This way we could give you guys the information that you really need to take your trading to that next level. I'm going to keep a really tight stop here. Look at that 5-minute, dude. If we close back below this DEMA, we're going to be just all right. I want to, and that 1-hour trend really gave me what it was I was looking for, was just that continued buying pressure. I think now I'm just going to put it at a break even. There's really no point to risk that much. Large 5-minute candle. Nah, I'm not going to leave it at break even because we could very easily come back up into this, retest, and keep going. Trim half. Good play. Good play, Eric. Good play. I'm actually debating on adding into this, and it all really depends on how this zone holds. Okay? So let's see. I want to see that GBI right there that we just created hold. See how we just got that retest into it? Retest into her. Getting very strong selling pressure right here. Great trading, guys. Great trading. This is exactly what we do. Exactly what we do every single day. Now, we don't need a home run. I'm literally just looking for a play into the low. 2-minute 20 will be my stop. Definitely getting a little bit of buying down here. See if we can get that continued selling pressure. We'll lock down our first. Actually, you know what? We got a level. Oh, come on. Sell through it. Oh, baby. Come on, baby. Speak to me. Pull the stop down. Pull the stop down. Pull the stop down. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. All right, we're coming into key level right here. I want to see selling pressure. Selling pressure. Go through it. Go through it. Come on. Oh, yo, look at that selling pressure. Look at that. Really nice move. Really nice move. Great trading, guys. Look at that. Continued selling pressure. Let's get it. Come on. Bump the stop. Bump the stop. I'm going to put it right at that level. 687, 682. Can we get 663.30? Can we get 663.30? 663.30. Oh, look at her go. Look at her go. What are my moving averages telling me, Chris? What are they telling us? What are they telling us? I don't know, guys. We're starting to act like some professional ass traders. I don't know about you. This is clean cut right here. Take out. On to the next. First trade, $600, one contract. Okay, take it. Clean, baby. That was clean. You guys, and once again, do you guys understand why I took that trade? Right? You guys understand what it is I was looking for. That and once again, we'll just talk about it. Where are we at? The key reasoning behind that trade was the 1 hour RBI GBI retest. Sellers respected it. And then we got that clean GBI, which was retested and respected on the 5-minute time frame. This guy right here, okay, was retested, respected, which gave us the short opportunity. Sold off very quickly, took our profit. Now we're looking for a re-entry or a new opportunity, okay? That's exactly why we took that trade. Once again, for anybody that wants to learn these principles on a more deeper level and is not already on our team, click the link below and get involved. We have a phenomenal team, and we're growing by the day. All right, so let's check this out. Great play. Great play. All right, on to the next. What's the next best move on the chessboard? Okay, Josh, I missed it. I was walking my dog, or I don't know. I just didn't want to take it. Well, so now let's reevaluate. Okay, what's the next best move? What do we know? So far, what we do know is that the 1 hour time frame is holding in a bearish fashion. So I am bearish. Okay, I'm not assuming shit. Okay, we're not gonna go, oh my god, but what if it reverses? What if these buyers are going to... No, none of that, okay? If I get a pullback into this GBI like we're about to get, I'm looking for shorts. How am I going to determine that? Watch... go, guys, ready? Watch that 2-minute 20 right now. Watch that 2-minute 20 right now. I'm not playing with you. I am not playing with you. I'll load up. If that 2-minute 20 gets hit and respected, I'm getting right back in this. Josh, I don't know. Do I take it? Do I not? Did you close outside the 20? Then trade with the 20. Let's see. Hold on. Got to tap it, though. Got to tap it. This looks like a, ooh. What we getting? Oh, you cunt. I got to take it. I'm in it with a very, very tight stop. This might be stupid. It really might be. But I'm going tight here. Really tight. Let's see if we can get continuation here. I can't say it and not do it. We closed inside the 20. I got to take it. Might not be smart. I can honestly probably accommodate the GBI. Let's see. Hold on. What do I want to do? Let's see. This is a tough one. It's a tough one. I understand if you do not take this. I do. It's not the smartest play. It's kind of impulsive. Let's see what we get. I got to respect the GBI, though. I got to respect the GBI. So I'm in this, and my stop is right outside the, like right there. Let's see. Kind of impulsive. But let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Oh, yeah. Stupid. Stupido. It's okay. Not worried about it. Let's see what we get. I might get stomped out. Let's see. It is. Where's my stop? Oh, that's ugly. Ugly. Let's see if this can hold. Not the best move. All good. Sometimes we do retarded things, right? Even me. I honestly want my stop here, but it's too big. It's way too big. All right, let's see if we can get a little bit of money. Oh, can she hold? Can she hold? Stupid play. Closed outside that 20. I'm trying to get out of this position. Let's see if we can get a pullback for me to get out. Pull back. Get me out. Get me out. Get me out. 200. Pull back. Just get me out of it. Get me out of it. We all do impulsive things. That was definitely impulsive, but now I just got to play it. I got to play it correctly. What we doing? What we doing? $162. Let's see. Oh, it may respect the 5-minute 20 right here. Let's see. What do I want to do? I'm out. I just cut it. I just hopped in it too early, and I didn't like the way I was like fighting it. I probably should have stayed in it, but I didn't want to. Yeah, that was an impulsive one, and that's what futures trading can do to you. And this is the thing though, you got to be quick. You got like if you find yourself like what I just did, right? You could call it a mistake, or you could call it whatever you want. But at the end of the day, I didn't like the way it was making me feel. I kind of was hoping that it was going to turn. It didn't respect the 20 the way I wanted it to, so I just cut it. You know, if you find yourself in a bad situation like that, just get out of the trade. Don't overthink it. What did it cost me? $300. So what? We'll make all that money back. I'm not worried about that whatsoever. Why didn't I play options? I probably should have. I'm just trading my futures account right now. There was no really specific reason why I traded futures versus options. I kind of sometimes I like trading later in the day options, 0 day, and then in the morning sometimes I like trading futures. So overall, there's no specific reason. All right, so now what's the next best move on the chessboard? We're gonna watch this GBI. See what we get. All right, so we still close right there inside that 20. Oh, you know what this means though? Hold on. This means that we're back at the 1 hour GBI. So let's just do a quick reevaluate. Okay, we got to drop down below. And it couldn't hold, right? The low of day couldn't hold. Now we're shooting back up into the 1 hour GBI. Let's see here what we get. All right, coming into the 1 hour trend as well. Y'all already know how I feel about that 1 hour trend. It's just right now, the fact that sellers couldn't hold the lows, I'm interested to see here what price looks like as we come up. And if buyers take back this 1 hour GBI, we could really start seeing that move to the upside. Let's see what we get. I'm going to hit the hat. I'll be right back. All right, let's see. Next move. It's SPX telling us. Structure might be shifting here. Watch an open print. Oh, and look, we're right back up here, guys. This is where your context reading skills are going to really help you. I don't necessarily like the trend to the downside, but it is valid. You know what I mean? Like, the trend to the downside is still very much valid. And how do we know this? The 1 hour GBI and this GBI right here. We just got retested by it. This is the area of value. Area of value, ladies and gentlemen. Strong selling. What do I want to do? So at this point, though, I'm pretty much I gotta stay a little patient because sellers couldn't defend the trend, and this structure up here is starting to get tested a little bit. All right, getting a nice little push down. So once again, this GBI is still holding very well. That GBI just held perfect. Back to waiting. Trading is 99% waiting, staying patient, staying mindful. Ooh. Yo, guys, you guys seeing this? Closing inside the 20 EMA right there. This is why moving averages are hands down the best tools. Y'all know I've been saying this for the last couple of years. But moving averages are by far the best tools ever for this simple fact. And look at that 1 hour trend. This 1 hour this trend right here, that's stepping down. This thing is when it is valid like it is, this thing is like, it's very strong. So we have a battle right here. Our battle is between 664.50 and 667.30. All right, it's a valid battle. This is where I want to whip out my daily time frame and start asking some questions. Okay, what levels am I watching? What's happening? We got a very violent sell-off into the 50 right here, just like Eric told us. Let's see what NQ is giving us as well. I know we got a lot of NQ traders. Oh, NQ. I'm not going to lie to you. Look at NQ. NQ is still very bearish. I don't want to say very, but it's still valid. It's still a valid bear trend. I mean, we did get that false breakout below down here. But that 1 hour trend on NQ is still very valid. And we got the 1 hour, where are we at here on NQ? Yeah, I feel like sellers are gonna take this, but it's gonna get choppy. It's gonna get choppy right here. I'm just trying to find a way to entertain it. All right, so we're coming into the 2-minute 20 here. I'm looking for sellers to take it. I'm looking for sellers to take this here. I mean, it's just holding that 1 hour trend. It held the GBI very well. And now we're going to use the 2-minute 20 as a guideline right here. I mean, buyers are holding it. I'm looking to see them lose it. If buyers can lose it, it might be beautiful. It might be good. If buyers take it, then it's bullish, right? Like, it really doesn't matter to me what happens. It could go either way. It don't matter to me whatsoever. Them trap buyers are just stomping out. They're stomping out. Stomping out. There it goes. Boom. Looking for weakness here coming into the 20. There it is. What's the top of this candle? Fucking dollar away. Holy shit. All right. Strong push. Very strong push. Out of our level. All right. So just like before, guys, I'm looking now for a 2-minute 20 retest in a sell-off. Might get it. Might not. It's just, for me, that's the best way to get in it. We didn't get a GBI on this one. I really like that 1 hour trend, dude. That you guys see how it like protects me. Also, the 5-minute 20 is holding. So I'm trying to find a way to participate in this because sellers clearly still have the ball. And I think right now we just got to wait for a better entry. Strong push. Strong push, baby. All right, looking for a pullback here. I want to see a pullback. What's NQ look like? NQ might be giving us something better. Something a little easier. Oh, it is. Is it? Yeah, it is. All right, I'm switching to NQ on futures. Came in, retest. NASDAQ. This is kind of a sketchy play. Not in it yet. Basically, the reason why I'm looking to entertain this, I want to see it really wick into this zone here. I want to see sellers defend this zone. I'm not ready to take this just yet. I feel like I'm kind of forcing things. So let's just stay patient. That was not bearish. Stay patient, guys. Stay patient. Coming back up to that 20 EMA on the 5-minute. Look at that candle. I feel like and once again, we're getting that battle. We're battling 605 and we're battling the 1 hour trend. The 1 hour trend's trying to squeeze. This could be our GBI to the downside. This could definitely be our 5-minute GBI to the downside. Or it could be our RBI to the upside and the market shifts. We're coming back up to that 1 hour GBI on SPY that has been continuously holding. I feel like buyers are going for it right here. They're trying. They're trying. Oh, yo. How this candle closes is key. Coming into the 50 on the 2-minute. Couldn't break the high. We're coming into that 1 hour GBI. I don't know. It feels a little sketchy. And that's okay. But I'm getting a lot of different this is a battle right here. This is a very chaotic, strong battle. Potential short play coming up. If I get a GBI here, I'm definitely shorting the heck out of this. And once again, like, and I say this to everybody that's on my mentorship, but like the reason why our strategy is so effective is because it weeds out the garbage price action. In my opinion, guys, this is not good price action. This price action is not good, which is why we haven't been, trading as much as we have. Like I basically, I need valid entry criteria, and we're just right now hold on. Ooh, I'm like how this candle closes is so darn important. What do we got? We got like 2 minutes left on it. Came into that 20. That in that 1 hour GBI is it's just bullying her right now. SPX, similar story here. Open print, 1 hour trend. Look at that 1 hour trend hold, dude. Oh boy. All right. How am I going to participate? Am I going to participate? It's just buyers are really trying, though. I'm looking for a GBI here on NQ. If this green bar gets ignored, this thing's sinking down to 600. $30 left. Oh my Lord, look at that. Dude, that thing was crazy. Look at that. Look at that. All right, green candle. She gonna sink? Is she gonna sink? All right, give me my 2 minute. Where we at? 2 minute. Super bearish. But now we got some more context, right? Now we have a green candle right here. That's going to give us context. I'm looking for that to be disrespected for us to enter into this short. But it's got that low's got to be disrespected right here, guys. It's got to be. It's got to be disrespected. This is at a key level. I can't rush this one. I can't. The 2 minute 20 will be my stop if I enter in. Well, I'm watching to see what this 2 minute 20 retest looks like right here. If we break the bottom, I'm just gonna hop in. Ooh, what's the bottom? What is this? 60456. The low 60457. The low here is the same. Exact same. Getting two different stories here on NQ and SPY. And we could not break the low there, by the way. Not yet, at least. I'm watching this retest here. It's some garbage PA, guys. Definitely not the best. Oh, ready? Here we go. Oh, it did break that green candle. It did break that green candle. So this technically is a GBI. I'm just trying to see if I can get an even better entry. Yeah, I'm going to take this. I'm hopping in it. I'm in NQ. Stop above the 2 minute. Let's hit the lows. Let's see if we can get this here. NQ is a little dicey. Got to put a little deep stop on NQ. But she pays quick. It's a sketchy one. It's definitely a little sketchy, but you know what? They're all sketchy. Sometimes you just got to do your thing. Go for it. See what you get. That is a GBI right there on NQ. I'm looking for this to continue to the downside. Let's see. SPY is definitely giving me a little bit different story here. Let's see what we get. NQ with the push. Oh, look at the push. Look at the push on NQ. Once again, guys, anybody that wants to get involved, click those links below. Join our team. Absolute savage. Absolute savagery over here at HPT. Look at that short play on NQ, bro. That was beautiful. Beautiful. That was probably the most picture perfect entry I've had in a while. Look at that. Strong push. Very strong push. Let her cook. Let her cook. What's the 5 minute look like? Very strong push. How do I want to play this? How do I want to play it? I got to leave the 2 minute 20 as my stop. Is what it is. Is what it is. See what we get. When in doubt, trust your moving averages. We are coming to, let's see what we get here. Let her push. Let her cook. You ain't got to be no hero. Just got to execute. Still got a lot of time left on the day. That was a great play. Ooh, look at that. 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 Look at it go, baby. Look at it go. Took it. Not playing that pullback. Get retarded mode. I'll get a retest. Right? And that's how we like listen, I'm not gonna battle with it. I'm watching for a retest now. Look at SPY. We have the same criteria, guys. What are we doing? Let's trade shorts. Let's trade shorts. Great play. Anybody catch that with me? It was a phenomenal play. W's in the chat. Anybody catch that? If not, all good. Quick 1,000 on NQ right there. All right, so I'm looking for a pullback into the 2 minute or just another entry. Another entry. I'm also watching SPY 2 minute. That was a clean. Y'all hit that? Mike, you hit that with me? That was a phenomenal hit. All right, watching 2 minute 20 on SPY. 2 minute 20 on SPY for a entry short. Yes. And I'm glad I got out where I did. Ain't got nothing to prove to nobody. Take your money. Quick sell-offs, I'm not playing with it. All right, I just hopped in SPY. One more here. Let's get a push to the lows. Playing pretty conservative. The price action, I'm not loving the price action. So I'm just trading one contract, nothing crazy. Let's see if we can get some continuation here. Ooh. Put it a little bit above. See what we get. Overall, I'm looking to play this 5-minute RBI and GBI. It's a big one, so I want to use my 2-minute as my guide. Not the best entry here. I might get stomped out, but it is what it is. I'm using that 2-minute 20 right here as my guideline. I really don't care if I get stomped out. Really don't care. I'm just gonna put my stop right here. Let's go. I'm gonna go do a set of pull-ups. We're just getting started, guys. All right, 2-minute 20 was respected. Are we going to add into this? What do you guys think? What y'all thinking? Did NQ respect the 2-minute? You know she did. Overall, that RBI and GBI is holding. So, oh, you know what, guys? Look. So now let's manage the trade. We're just going to, I want this right here to be a perfect example of how to manage a trade. Sparky, you already know Friday's the best day of the week because this is what we do. What's up, baby?
I found out why our alert keeps going off.
Why?
Because it must have moved with the wind, babe.
Oh.
It catches every car that drives by. Every single car. Because I'm like, why does this keep?
Yeah, I literally had to turn the notification off.
Just show on my phone. Like,
ding, ding, ding.
Literally every 2 seconds I look, it's a car.
Yeah.
Every time.
Yeah.
It must have moved.
So if you go to settings, you can actually you can turn it off.
But I don't want it off. We just the camera needs to be in. I think because all the wind and rain. It
moved it. Okay.
Because it wasn't like that. It was more pointed downwards.
Yeah.
I didn't see the street like that before.
Yeah. All right, then we'll change it. Look at this, guys. You guys in this?
Yeah. I was like.
Yeah. And good catch though, baby.
Yeah, it's driving me nuts.
Look at this. Look at this push. Once again, guys, what are we doing? All we're doing is playing the 5-minute RBI GBI retest. 2-minute 20 retest. Look at this. Look at this. Come on. Come on. Throw the W's. Who's hitting them? Who's hitting them? Who's hitting them with me? Look at this. What do I want to do? Let me not get cocky. Let me not get retarded. I'm looking for a pull into here. W. I know my boy Mike's hitting them. My boy Mike. What do I want to do? This is a key level. It's a key level right here. What do I want to do? What do I want to do? My boy's been playing it since 10:30. Of course he has been. Of course. Once again, Lance Sparky, another proud HPT member. There we go, Kaio. Kaio, listen, we got to play it's all about the execution. I'm not necessarily loving this. Let me just, that quick sell-off here. Unfortunately, at this point, I just got to play the 2-minute 20. I could have took profits at the lows. You know what? Let's do this the right way. Where's my 1-hour trend? We're trending down. NQ, we're coming into low of day. This is getting a little dicey only because we're at this key level. Oh, you know what I'm going to do? You know what I'm going to do, guys? I'm just going to keep bumping my stop below the previous 2-minute. This way, nothing retarded happens. I don't know, guys. We're starting to get pretty good at this. Look at this. And this is just like a chill day. This is a chill day. Coming into it. Stop right above the previous 2 minute. Let's see if we can get a push here into the lows. Is that how I want to play this? What's the 5 minute giving me? Come on. Oh, yeah, we're at a key level, guys. Oh, look at this, dude. This is pushing. I'm holding this right now. I'm still in it. $437. Look at, yo, Kaio, that's my boy. What do I want to do? What do I want to do? What do I want to do? Once again, guys, anybody that wants to trade with us daily, click those links below. I mean, this is what we do. We got a Discord. We run a phenomenal group. And take it. I'm telling you guys, take advantage of the 150 a year. Like that, dude, 150, you get to trade with us for a year and you get 4 sessions with me. It's probably the most retarded deal I've ever done. Each session's an hour long. I gotta increase the price on that because it's just a time thing. What do I want to do here? But the value is so effective. The value you get, like, and I'm not like saying, oh my God, I'm a perfect trader. I'm just saying, like, when we teach you how to spot opportunity the way that we do, you will never trade any other way again. You will always be looking for trap buyers or sellers, and you will have the tools to capitalize on it. Hands down. No fluff. All execution here at HPT. I'm keeping a tight stop on this, guys. I don't want to give anything crazy back. I could always re-enter. Tight, very tight stop here. Don't be a hero. Don't be a hero. Stay present. Tight stop. Let's see what we get here. Right above the previous 2. That's how I'm going to play it. Right above the previous 2 minute. Let's see if we can get a valid push here. Right above the previous 2 minute. Let's play the trend, guys. Oh, let's go. Come on, baby. Welcome to High Performance Trader. This is what we do. I love you guys, man. Y'all have pushed me so damn hard, and I appreciate you guys for it. Look at this. I knew today was going to be a phenomenal day. What did we say? It didn't even matter what happened. We're just going to trade our principles. That's what we do every single day. Look at that. Look at that. Do I want to take profit right here? Or what do I want to do? Let me see. You know, all the other groups, like, and I'm just going from what like my clients have told me, like, you're not getting the clear, like the details, right? Like, once again, I don't know. I need the details. Like, what actually makes me get in a trade? And how do I see it? And how do I repeat it? Right? Like, that is what oh, look, yo, let her cook. Let her cook. Tight stop. Tight stop. Right there. Come on. We just broke the lows, guys. Come on. What are we doing? What am I doing here? What do I want to do? Let her go. Let her go. Let her go. Let her go. Let her cook, bro. Let her cook. Let her cook. Let her cook. Yo, let her cook. Let her cook. Yo, how far are we going? How far are we going? Like, we don't care. We have systems, right, Todd? That's it. System in place. Stop right above the previous candle. How far can she go? I don't know. I'm not going to put no limit on it. I'm not going to be like, oh my God, but I'm up $830. No, dude. Let her tell you. Let the market tell you. Are we getting extended on the 5-minute? We're coming into that key level. What do I want to do? Getting a little far away from the 1 hour. What do I want to do? I'm leaving my stop exactly where it is. If it hits, it hits. I don't care. It's going to hit. I'll take it. Oh, it ain't hit though. Not yet. I'm out. Look at that. How we doing? How we doing today? 1,600. Trading one contract. One contract. Y'all seen it? And I took a retarded trade. I took a retarded trade earlier. Still up. Once again, detailed. Details. Details, baby. That's what we do. That is what we do. All right, let's make some more money. What time is it? It's only 10:40. Okay. What's the next move? 2-minute 20. Proud of you guys, man. You guys are trading good today. Nothing makes me happier than when my clients write me going, dude, I made $900 last night following your system. Nothing. Nothing makes me happier. All right, this level's kind of throwing me off, so I'm just going to get rid of it. So I like what you said, Mike. We're extended, took profit, and waiting for re-entry. Mike Lynch, you're a savage, bro. What a savage. Dude took profit at the low and said, I'm waiting for re-entry. Like, bro, that's some Houdini shit, right? I don't know, bro. It's starting to sound like you're following principles instead of emotion. And that's exactly the goal. Shout out to you, bro. Mike is killing it, man. Proud of you. Proud of you guys. All of you. There's members on HBT that are going to be making $200,000 a year. I know it. I know it. We're headed there, guys. Life's hard, but this is the shit I live for, man. I needed this today. Not even just the wins. I just needed to trade live with the team. All right, so now next best move on the chessboard. Let me go hit the head. I'll be right back. All right, ready? This is what I was talking about earlier with something I noticed on the trends. So you guys seen how we haven't retested the 2-minute 20 in a while? There is a very high chance that we're going to get a retest, and it's probably going to be a great entry back down to the downside. So let's see what we get here. We got everything marked. And once again, let's start from the top. What's our 1 hour time frame telling us? All right, we got some selling. We got 10 minutes left on this candle. So in 10 minutes, it's going to suck the 1 hour down a bit. Bro, what a good session, man. I'm just so thankful, man. God's so good to me. Even like when times are hard, it's still a win. Like we have the opportunities to take challenging scenarios and turn them into wins straight up. Like, and that's what we're doing. So let's just keep doing that. Not complicate it. If I tell you this, I promise you right now, if price can't close outside the 20, I'm trading with the 20. We're also, what is this level here? Let me see something. Oh, snap. Y'all see the level we're retesting on ES? Look at that. Y'all see that 5-minute trend? Would y'all say she's pretty healthy? I'd say so. I'm not seeing anything, though. I'm not seeing a 20 retest. So this might be one of them difficult scenarios where you just don't get an entry, and it's just kind of frustrating. But scenarios like this build character. Is NQ not even at PDL? Did I map? Oh, I was going to say, what? Holy shit. Yeah, look at that. Oh, man, that thing's gone. It is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. Still getting paid. When we hop in that? We hopped in at 10:36. Our first trade was when? 10 o'clock. And then 10:36. Okay. Yeah, there she goes. It's frustrating, but it is what it is. Just let her go. I mean, I can't. This is where the characters guys, right now is where the character is built. Straight up. Like, yeah, it bounced off a key level and it's selling off. Yeah, can we get in and make a little bit of money? Yeah. But is that going to be good? Is it good to make money when your edge isn't present? No, it is not good. Guys, I know you're hearing me right now. I only want to make money when my edge is present. Otherwise, I am subject to retardation in the future. Don't do it. Stay patient. Anybody can make a quick hundo, but who can stay patient? Look at 2-minute 20 starting to line up. Look at this. Starting to line up perfectly with our key level. Stay patient. Sooner or later, it's going to grab it. It is more probable for a retest than it's not. And even if we don't get a retest, the trend will be short-lived. Let's see if we can make $3,000 today. That's my goal. I want to make 3 G's. Is that a GBI, bro? Bro, that's a GBI. I can't take it. I can't. It's battling. This might be the bear trap. Stay patient. Let's get clear here. Did we get a GBI? Low. 66375. No, we did not. It did not break it. It's about to right now, though. But it did not break it. Ready? Broke. There it goes. That's a GBI right there. Good. Our next entry is going to be in this box. I don't listen. If you want to take that, I wouldn't fault you. But guys, the data tells us that it just makes a little more sense to wait for that 2-minute 20 But it's probably going to sell off. It might be a good scalp right there. I'm staying away from it. Staying away from it. This is where I go do a set of pull-ups. I'll be right back. All right. How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? GBI is holding. But we are not in it just because we're so darn far from the 2-minute 20. And according to SPY, we're coming up here on a key level. So, yeah, this level is very important on SPY. SPX is what? Let's see here. Let's see here. What's SPX telling me? Oh, my God. That level just broke, man. We got sellers in the building. We got sellers in the building right now. It's a valid short play, man. I probably should have took it. I don't know why I haven't been taking those lately. They just kind of been. It's not that they're like bad. It's just that I like the 20 retest, man. It works. Like if y'all ever heard that saying, right? Like if it's not broken, don't fix it. Like that's just where I'm at. I really like that 20 retest. And we're probably gonna miss it. Probably gonna sink. There it goes. I'm watching for a pullback though, because what's the strategy? 5-minute RBI, GBI, pullback. Pullback season has returned. Where's that 1 hour trend at? Come on. Let's increase. Oh, yo. Guys. Look at that. Look at where the 1 hour trend is. This thing's going to sink through this. This is a valid 1 hour trend here. I am not afraid of that level. And once again, that's why we didn't take it short. Look at the pullback we're getting here. What time is it? 11 o'clock. What's the 1 hour trend look like? Show me that healthy trend. Okay, we got a little pocket right here. Little pocket. Look at the pocket. Now let's look at it in retrospect. Okay. Yeah, see? I need that 2-minute 20, baby. That is why. That's why we follow the strat. 2-minute. Retesting it. Look where the 20 lines up. Straight with the 1 hour trend. Men lie, women lie, moving averages do not. So now we have ourselves a battle between 66330 and the 1 hour trend. That is why. You guys see that? It was worth it. It was worth staying patient. But now let's get paid. All right? Let's not take our eye off the ball here. We have strong selling coming into the markets. All right, stay patient. Coming into it, I'm looking for this to respect. This is kind of a hard one. But basically, for me to participate, I need I really want to see a pullback. We might get it, we may not. And I try to stay watching NASDAQ as well, right? See, NASDAQ, we did not get an RBI or GBI. Not that that like really matters a bunch. And this also, oh, yo, there it goes. Let's see. Just stay patient. It's worth it. It's worth it. It works if you work it. Okay? If we don't get the entry, we don't get the entry. It is what it is. I'm not breaking character today. I'm not. Process is what makes the money, not me. Oh, it's going to keep going. Let me hop in. That's not what works. The only thing that works is our process. I read it down today. Listen to what I wrote. I said, how do you make money while trading? Being able to identify current market conditions and position yourself to profit from those current market conditions, as long as the market is able to continue trending in the intended direction. That's the only way we make money, is by positioning ourselves to capitalize off the current market conditions. I want to position myself to capitalize on this trend. But how we position ourselves is extremely important. Our intention behind it. Of course, we want to make the money, but for me to get into this and, oh, there it goes. Look at that retest. Chris, this might be exactly what we were talking about the other day, where you can wick into the AOV. If we can't close inside this box, if we close right here outside of it, this is very bearish. Got 15 seconds left here. Oh, didn't close in it. That's bearish. That is bearish. How do I want to play this? If I go short, my stop's going above this previous candle. I'm not in it yet. Damn it. I should have hopped in it. It's okay. It's okay. It's far away. I'm holding off. And what you're seeing right now is a trader battling with his emotions. It's literally what you're seeing. My emotions are telling me, dude, just get in it. It's going to sink. And then my smart mind is going, bro, don't do it. Stay patient. Wait for what works. If I hopped in that, I'd have been getting stomped out right now. So, oh, watch it. Can it break that? This level is important. 6684. This is important. There it goes. You guys see what I'm talking about, right? I'm always going, bro. I'm always going, can it break the previous high? If it breaks the previous high, we're going to go up to the 2-minute 20. Yeah, it's done. I could have. I probably should have hopped in it. It couldn't. Chris, remember we were talking? Couldn't close inside the AOV. I should have hopped in it. Damn. You gotta really learn like when you're overthinking too, and when you're not. I mean, there's a bunch of different ways to look at this. Moral of the story is it like we're at a key level, and we're not bouncing off the 20. I'm really not gonna beat myself up for not entering. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not gonna beat myself up on that trade. I like where that 1 hour trend is though. Can we still get in it? Do I still want to get in it? Is the question. So listen, this is what I wrote about losing money. How do you lose money? By positioning yourself against the current market conditions and hoping or expecting them to turn around. God will not just spin it in your favor. He wants you to profit from your ability to act on the understandings of his principles. So therefore, you're not going to get lucky. You will make money if you're able to execute according to your ability to read the market. And this thing's probably going to sink. And I'm a little frustrated because I could have made money on that. But it's okay. It's okay. It's been a good day. It's been a good day. It's probably gonna sink. Yes, sir. That's a new GBI, Chris. And look also where. Oh no, this is just my book. This is just the book I read. I wrote this. This is like, and I encourage you guys to do the same thing. Like when I tell everyone in my mentorship, like write down your thoughts. Look at bro. This is what I do. It's important, right? You gotta learn to understand your mentality. Yeah, Chris, absolutely. And like let's just look at it, right? Like what's the 1 hour trend is coming down. We're bursting into a key level. Very strong selling, but we're just so far away from the 20. We're so far away from it. So that's pretty much why I haven't entered. GBI is right there. Let's see if we can get an entry because it's not over yet. I mean, I wouldn't extend it, Chris. I want to stay a little focused. I guess you could go like this. And this becomes your new area of focus. You're still in it, Sparky? Great job, brother. Great job. It's still bearish, bro. This thing's probably still going to keep going. I don't like how we couldn't close outside the green candle. I might go for a little scalp here in a minute. Put my stop right above this too. I'm not in it yet. I don't know. I feel like I'm just trying to force something right now. Oh, you know what I'm watching, Chris? Look. I'm keeping it right where it is. I really want a retest of the previous GBI, but we might not get it here. Might not get it. Might not get it. It's all right. Just chilling. Yep, there it goes. There it goes. Dang it. All good. And this thing's probably gonna sink right now. I just couldn't get the retest I really wanted. That's just part of the game, bro. It's part of the game. So what's the next best move on the chessboard? Highlight that GBI. Just keep making your way down. I'm looking for a retest up in this zone for a potential short entry. My boy Sparky's cleaning house, though. It's my boy. That's my boy. This thing's selling off. Look at that 1 hour trend right there. That's why I feel like I should have, pushed it a little bit further. But it's okay. We got all day, dude. It's 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. These are the sort of trades we take every day. So don't let yourself be discouraged. And that's why we didn't rush it. All right, so now that we're coming back up to that level, let's see what QQQ is giving us. So 1 hour trend is still coming down a bit. QQQ, she's probably going to sell off into her level here in a minute. That's all right. That's all good. So I'm going to South Carolina next week. If anybody is from there, get a hold of me. Do we got any people from South Carolina? Let me know. Headed down to South Carolina. My cousin's getting married. So that's going to be a great time. I can't wait. So I probably won't be trading live next week on Friday. I mean, obviously everybody in our mentorship or in our Discord. Well, I mean, I'll still be calling trades out on the Discord, but I'm not going to be trading live. I'm going to be in South Carolina. South Carolina. I might go live. I'm not sure yet. It depends how the cards fall. Sink. How could I have played this different? Hey, you know what? Sometimes you just, it is what it is. You don't always have to play it different just because you missed it. Sometimes you just miss a play. So be it. Is what it is. Did good today so far. All right. Let's see. Next candle. Previous 2 minute. It just ain't breaking. Look at that 1 hour. Pushing. Very, very good. All right. So at this point, we're just waiting for our next opportunity. We are, let's see, we got 1,700 on the day. 1,700 on the day here. Nothing crazy. Traded good though. We've definitely traded good. Let me see. We had a short play right here. Just for the viewers. First short play. Like that, right? And then we had a short play right here. Something like that, right? Can you guys even see that? Isn't there a way to go light? Where's the light? Where's the light? Miscellaneous? Charts. All right, whatever. All right, ready? Let's see here what we get. So I'm watching this level right here. I got my 2 minute out. Oh, dude. See what happens when you stay patient? Lance? Sparky's from Massachusetts? Nice. I know we got Massachusetts in the house. I know we got Louisiana. I know we got Texas. Where else we got? Minnesota. I forget a couple others. Everybody drop where you're from, bro. Represent. Where you guys from? I'm from Syracuse, New York. All right, I'm watching for a 2 minute 20 retest here. Wisconsin. Nice. I know we got Cali. I know my boy Eric is from Cali. Sunshine State. Texas. I was down in Texas a couple months ago. Beautiful state. We used to have Switzerland. We used to have a couple European traders on the team. But they learned how to make money, and then they just never came back. My boy, what was his name? I can't think of it. Forgot his name. Damn it. It's all right. He learned how to make his money, and he bounced. I'm not mad at him. That's what we do over here at HBT. I come join the team, learn how to make money, and bounce. That's fine. That's what most of the traders do. Not most of them. We get some people that stay forever. All right. We call them the lifers. Well, we got the lifer program. Anybody wants to get involved with the lifer program, let me know. All right. Let's see here. Watching the 2 minute 20. I don't know how I really feel about this one. But I think we'll be able to grab a little bit of money out of it. If the 2 minute 20 gets respected, I'm hopping. Ooh. Let's see. I got my finger on the trigger. Didn't touch it. What a cunt. What a cunt. I hate when it don't touch. I hate when it don't touch. She's going to touch. Yeah, that's valid. Is it? Is it valid? Yeah, it's valid. I'm trying to get a good entry on this one. I want it to suck up a little, or I just want it to close, respecting it. I want to get in as close to that 2 minute 20 as possible. It's being a little cunt. What's the range on this? 50 cents? I am going to take a... Hold on. Not in it just yet. Ooh, So I am not in it just yet. Not in it just yet. It's a 5 minute look like. That is valid. It's pretty valid. But I'm just staying a little patient here. I don't like what the 5 minute really looks like. Let's see. All right, I'm in it. I'm taking a stab here. I'm going to take a stab here. I didn't get the best fill on this, but let's let her do her thing. I'm in 2 cons, going for shorts. Let's see if we can get this. Don't know. Like I said, not the best fill. How do I want to play this? I'm going to go 525. I'm going to risk 525 here. I wanted to accommodate the whole GBI, and I don't like this. Out. Clipped. On to the next. Watch, ready? I've seen this before. It's going to take my money and suck down. Damn. It's okay. Not sweating that. Let's see what happens here. Now we're in. Now I want to play this one. Now we've wicked into the 2-minute 20. Let's see here. The GBI goes all the way up to here. Where's my 1 hour trend? Oh, what a cunt. All right. That one I am in. Let's see here. I don't know how I feel about that one either. This might not be the best play. I'm going to take a stab at it. It might be a little degenerate. But let's see what we can get here. It's just at a key level. Another thing that I'm not really doing the best is I'm trading 2 contracts where all day I've been trading 1. That's really not the smartest thing to do. But let's see what we get here. See what we get here. Nice push. I'm going to bump my stop so it's not that detrimental. Let's see if we can get a push here into the lows. Don't need to be a hero on this. I know I just lost a pretty good chunk. Lost like 500 on that trade before that. But I don't need to make it all back. Ooh, look at that. Nice push. Very nice push. Once again, just follow the strategy, guys. Follow the strategy. Look at that. So I want to talk about that candle before it. It really didn't tag it the way I wanted to. What do I want to do here? This is a key level. I don't know how I feel about it. The 1 hour is not the closest. I want to see continued selling here. I am going to trim one. Hold on. I haven't trimmed yet. What do I want to do? What do I want to do? I just don't like where that 9 is. The DEMA. What do I want to do? just let her do her thing, man. Just let her do her thing. We got sellers coming in. Look at that, baby. Come on. Come on. Now I trim one. Trim one. Now it's a little less nerve-wracking. 2-minute 20 is the stop on the last one. So now we could just like kind of let her do her thing. And this really might just continue to rip too. So Let's just see what we get here. We didn't close back below. I got my eye on a retest of this level. I'll potentially add in this. That's like, and that's where you want to be at, right? Like you want to be at the point where you're getting in, you can re-enter. You know, you're looking for that continued selling pressure. Like that's what I'm looking for right here. That and it hurts, bro, because I went in short, had the right methodology, got stomped out on that previous one. And you know what? But we didn't let it like completely, you know, screw up our game, right? Like, look, we're still in a great trade here. We got back in it. Is it frustrating? Absolutely. I hopped in, didn't get a good fill, and then got stomped out. But you know what we did? We got out of it quick. And then we reevaluated. That's how you take the trading to the next level, right? You got to be able to be in and out of these. You're going to get caught in sticky situations, but you can't get married to them. Let's watch the 2 minute here. Make sure we spot that. Okay, I'm watching 2 minute 20. I'm watching this retest right here for, I might add into this. Maybe we'll add in here. I want to see a pullback to this zone for a potential add-in. A wick up, respect it, continue down. And now we're in a good spot. We got the stop loss bumped down. We're not risking much. I'm going to pull out my profit. Take profit. We need like $2,000 to hit our $3,000 mark. I think, where are we at? 1,400 here. Oh, no, we're at like 1,600 counting this. And once again, right? Like how nice is it to trade this way? Right? Like we trade with trends. We trade, you know, with markets. Like we're not fighting trends. We're not guessing, right? Like this thing could keep trending and we could just keep killing it. That's how we trade every day. It's important to capitalize on days like this too. You don't want to waste days like this. You want to take advantage of them. We couldn't get back below that 9. Let's see though. Let's see. Stop. What do I want to do? What do we want to do? I want to see these 2 minute 20s or these 2 minute candles hold. I'm just going to keep this stop really tight. You could always get back in. It's futures. Oh, this might be the add in coming up here in a minute. Still in it. What do I want to do? I took it. That hit. I'm out of that short, but I'm looking for a re-entry. Looking for a re-entry. Damn. Because we're retesting that GBI right here. You guys see it? Solid little win right there. We at least made the money back that we lost on the trade before it. So let's see what we get here. Retesting that previous zone. All right, I'm watching 2-minute 20 for another potential entry here. Retesting the zone. Let's see what we get. This thing might go. What's this retest look like here? It's holding. All right, I'm taking one more stab short. What up, baby? Is it on the table down there? Oh, here it is. Here you go. Yep. All right, yeah, so I'm back in that short. Looks like we're getting a pretty nice push here. I want to see continued selling pressure, though. It's kind of a sketchy play. We didn't get that 2-minute 20 retest, but we retested the area of value. So let's see what we get here. Let's see what we get. I don't like it. I don't love it. But it is what it is. We're in it. Let's commit to it. What's left on this 5-minute candle? 2 minutes. Oh, it just looks so bearish, baby. You got to play the AOV. The area of value has been holding. You just got to play it. It is what it is. See if we can get a push into the lows. Now I'm at the point, though, where I kind of want to take inventory on how low can we really go. Like, how low can we really go today? This is the 1 hour. The only way to know is by whipping out the daily. We've broken that level. I got a level where? Right here. Yeah, I don't know about this. I don't know about this trade. I'm not liking it. It might be the bear trap. Might be the bear trap. If I get stomped out, that's probably it for me. Oh, we're coming up to the 2-minute 20. If she holds, then sweet. It should obviously should have waited for that, but in hindsight's 2020 at this point. Always wait for the 2-minute 20. If this holds, I'll throw a contract on. But this is a tough one right here. I don't think it's gonna hold. Maybe. Let's see. Let's see. I'm risking a little bit right here. Let's see if it holds. Oh, come on. I'm risking 300 here. If it holds, I'm going to add one on. Oh, my God. Look at that. Look at that retest. That thing's a wall, bro. That thing is a wall. Move this down. Remember, your mind sees what it wants to see. So stay objective. I want to see this close. What time is it? We got 20 seconds left here. 20 seconds left. I'm looking to add on to this if it holds. Let's see. Sketch. It's a sketch one. It's kind of far away too, but it's respecting the area of value. It's respecting the 2-minute 20. It held. Can we get a better entry? Can she suck up a little? A little? Suck up, suck up. Get close to that 2-minute 20 so I can get a better entry. I don't want my stop to be that far. On an add-in. See how we always approach it top down? I don't want my stop to be that far. I want it to be... But, I mean, that right there is definitely bearish. Super bearish. There it goes. I'm hopping in one more. Hopping in one more. Let's get a play into the lows. I don't know. I feel like I'm kind of I feel like I'm pushing for some juice here. I'm pushing for some juice. Come on. Stop above the previous 2-minute candle. That's how we want to play this. Something going on down here. That 1 hour trend's kind of far away. But that 2-minute 20, listen, bottom line, guys, 2-minute 20 held inside the area of value. I'm gonna throw some money on it. Is what it is. I'm trying to get to the point where I just allow my strategy to completely guide my decision-making process. So let's see what we get. Nice push. Let's see if we can get a continued push here. What you gonna do, sellers? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Another GBI here? Can we get it? What's the low? 66266. I mean, I feel like we're trying to squeeze a lot out of this market right now, but it's still giving us opportunity. So it is what it is. Can't be scared your whole. Oh, yo, come on, guys. I know y'all are part of this right now. Look at this. Yo, once again, check out the. Listen, it's all about the strategy. It's all about the strategy. Like, it's never about me. It's never about anything else. Just follow the strategy. Let's see if we can get continuation here. I got a take profit here at the low just to lock in some profit. And my stop's just going to keep going right above the previous 2-minute. Good work. Look at that. Clean. Clean. Can she continue? I don't know. I guess we're going to find out, right? This becomes our new box. It's kind of big. It is what it is, though. See how I got my first take profit? Oh, here it goes. Look. Okay, nice little push. Nice little push. Come on. Come on. Put it right there. See if we can get it. Now we're coming in and retesting that box. Off. All right, so we're selling off. We're up to sell off. Where's my 1 hour trend at? Yeah, this is touchy. I'm just going to take. Oh, hold on. Almost stop me out. Let's see. Do I want to? What do I want to do? Right above the previous 2-minute candle. Come on. Just let her do her thing. Right above the previous 2-minute candle. Give it a little buffer. See if we can get a push here. Push. Bam. Smoked it. First take profit hit. Let her rip. Let her go. Anybody in this? Come on. Come on, guys. I know y'all are eating with me right now. Who's in this? Break even stop. Break even stop. Come on. Break even stop. If anyone's in this, tell me, please. My boy. There's my boy. Good job, Chris. Putting the stop right above the previous 2 minute. Might clip me, might not. I don't know. But we're going for a little squeeze right here. Going for a little squeeze. Men lie, women lie, moving averages do not. Great job, Chris. We're doing pretty good today. See if we could pass this account one day. I'm trying to stack accounts up. I want to do that copy trading all y'all are talking about. We got 7 people still on the live. What is it? 11:45, man. Just getting money. Getting money. Just grinding. I needed this today. I just needed to trade with you guys. Just me, y'all, and the charts. Something's telling me to get out of this. Trying to figure out what that is. I'm out. I'm out. Broke the previous 2 minute. I am out. Watch the 20. Watch the 20. Watch the 20. Damn it. It held. It's pushing. Yep. Don't get in it. Okay. All right. So I think I'm going to call it a wrap, guys. Great session. I hope you guys have a great day. I'm going to hop off for a minute. Let the market do its thing. We'll come back. Oh, man. Good day. Great day, guys. Really good day. Nothing crazy. And, you know, like more bottom line, moral of the story is if the market is giving us good price action, we should be taking advantage of it, right? The key is to learn to walk away when it's not giving us good price action. So on that note, I hope all you guys have a great day. I love you. All premium members, I will see you in the chat and at our webinar tomorrow. Peace.